Alright, y'all, I've got a 57 Nomad here I'm going to work on for a buddy. I've got it parked outside. I'm about to pressure wash it and sandblast it. Not really with sand, I'm going to use crushed glass. Sand is pretty nasty stuff, all the silica in it. Silicosis, things like that if you do it routinely, if you're not wearing a mask. So I'm not even going to mess with it. Now this thing, I think, is going to have a couple gallons of body filler on it. Let's see. Yeah, you can see some sanding marks in there. If you're rubbing your hand down it, you could really feel the difference between the metal and the filler here. More filler here. So I'm gonna pull the trim off first, pressure wash it, and then start blasting outside, not in the shop because it makes a mess. But if any of you guys have tips and tricks on how to remove trim and how to treat drip edge and things like that, do let me know in the comments.